spring break, guys. Everybody's ready. Appa is ready. Are you ready?
I'm looking at the ticket, guys. So we are here. You guys came to one of our video. We came to San Antonio SeaWorld. This is the second time we are coming. I'm keep looking at the ticket.
What are you doing?
Piggyback ride.
Oh, that's a good one. Good brother. Aww. Alright guys, come and let's dive into this beautiful place, San Antonio SeaWorld. Really nice, amazing place to relax with your family, especially on spring break. It is also a marine life education center where there's so much thing to learn. I think this is the best place to bring the kids, especially on their spring break, so they can be able to learn the different animals. You know, there's so much to learn in this place. One thing I didn't know about San Antonio SeaWorld is one of the largest SeaWorld actually in the United States. You can go ahead and Google it. That was really amazing. Nice. Right after. Ooh, that's good.
I think she can go by herself if it's 42.
So this is our first ride. It was so long line. We waited like almost 45 minutes just to get into this ride. Yes guys, hope you enjoyed this video. You're gonna explore a lot of activities and a lot of rides, a lot of animals here at the SeaWorld San Antonio. Yeah, look. Who is that, Kyle?
By the kitty area.
Kyle, where are those? Okay guys, let's keep moving.
I want to see the orcas.
Huh?
Orcas, I want to see the orcas.
Okay. If you have a little one who love to enjoy ride, but they never had a chance to ride because of their height, the Atlantis ride is the best to go with. Your little one must be 42 inches tall and the ride is 3 minutes and 30 seconds. This ride was very amazing. It was a great choice for Kyle. It was the first time Kyle enjoying this kind of ride. It was really fast and yeah, you guys can see the end of the ride was amazing. Yeah, so another thing that I wanted to add it is the safety, guys. As you guys can see, safety come first. It doesn't matter how long it's gonna take for the ride to go. They make sure that everybody's seat is locked. Here we go. They're ready to go. Wow, that was so amazing. Look how everybody is smiling and happy. So now we're here at the Orca Show. A lot of people call it Shamoon, Kilauea. So this place, it's really amazing. And the best part was to read these beautiful questions and answer them before the show started.
It truly is a way of life. We have dedicated so much of our personal and professional life to the care of these amazing animals. It's a huge responsibility, but ultimately a privilege.
make it all undone. So it didn't have to hurt this bad. Don't say goodbye. Don't do this now. Don't go, don't go, don't go. You should know why. My Gemini, my love, my love, my love. You found, you lost. Told me I was everything you wanted, and now I'm haunted. Your ghost is all I see. Is that you now? Try to reconnect, but what do you want? You never seem to know. I have a feeling that we never really move on from our past. Sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. So don't say goodbye. Don't do this now. Don't go, don't go, don't go. You should know why. My Gemini, and my love, my love, my love. Don't say goodbye, and don't go, don't go. You should know why. My Gemini, don't go, my love, my love, don't do this now.
Alright, so the Orca presentation was so amazing, and now we're here at a real local river.
Finally, after 2 hours, guys, the Rio Loco ride is gonna be ready.
So this is one of the first ride that I decided to go in, and Kayel was so excited to go with me. So if you want to try this ride, it's called the Rio Loco River. It was one of the best, especially for family and the little ones. Also, just be aware that line can take more than 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, depends on the day that you went to visit SeaWorld. At the end, it's worth it.
Hi, hi, hi. Yeah, we are doing video.
Hey, we're on the boat right now. We just got on the boat and we put our seatbelts on. It's been 3 minutes. 3 hours. Oh.
How long have we been waiting for this ferry?
Oh my god, we've been waiting for like almost like 2 hours, guys, to get this ride, but still people are waiting. I don't know what is special about this ride, but you know,
Right.
but, you know, we're gonna go enjoy, and we'll let you guys know if you're watching,
Yes, yes.
if you tune in.
Alright, after 2 hours of waiting online, finally we got a chance to get into Real Local River. This was one of the great one actually. Appa was so worried that I'm gonna throw my phone in the water, so I didn't get a chance to record the whole ride. But we had a great time. As you guys can see, Chilean and Kayel, everyone was really wet with water. It was so cold after getting into this ride, guys. Oh my god, but I will really recommend it. And yes, alright guys, so we're done for the day. This was so much fun.
And I'm still wet.
I know, right? Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.